this two one is the select energy meters. Here they're showing the voltage ampere and the kilovolts. You can see that this one is the 0.3, and here we have a second one, and that one we have a 0.4, and that both meters which are connected with the RS 485, which is a Modbus, and this both meter are in a parallel connection, and that with this RS 485 chip, and the RS 485 chip will be convert the data into the 232 data, and this chip which are connected with the Arduino, and same as well with the GSM will be help to send the data to the server. And here now the Arduino which is connected with the laptop with the USB plug, and now we see the data on a computer. So here's some basic data, and all this okay means the GSM are sending the data to the server. We are waiting for two links, which is the confirmation that server. Here you can see that that's a one link. Okay, that's a confirmation that server are sending the data, and we are waiting for the second one. Okay, here you can see that this one is the second one, and now we click on the refresh button to get the data. Here you can see that there's an increment of 78 from the 77. The increment will be 2. Okay. Okay, so here we have our application digit meter. Just click on simply that. Here we have a option for a new connection. Just click on that, and by filling this detail you can make a new connection request. Press play. Here you can see that this one register yourself. That's a sign up process, and we already did the sign up, so we moving on to the sign in process. So here we enter the meter number and your password. You just simply tap on the login button. Now we are waiting for the OTP. The OTP will be fetched automatically by the device. Here you can see that, and we also get the OTP. Just click on simply apply. Okay, so here you can see that the main interface of our application. Here there's a live reading of that particular meter of that user, this 4.5 kilovolt and the 1.5 ampere and 240 volt. And here you can see that in the corner this one pay button. Just simply tap on that, and here you can see that that's the one invoice which all customer will get after the duration of the 2 months. And just tap on the pay, and here you can see that there's a number of wallets, net banking and card option to pay the bill. Okay, let's just take one for the example. It's a Paytm. Okay, so you will get that you will redirect to the Paytm page for the paying. Now we move on to the back side. Okay, now here you can see that there's a profile of that particular user. You can see that there's a number, there's email address, the postal address and the name. Okay, sorry for that. This is the second option, is invoice. that's the same interface which will user will get on the I mean after the duration of that. And the third one is the history of bill. Here you can see that that's a previous history of that customer. You also can see that that's a payment pending, which means that customer still not paid that previous bill. You can see that amounts and the data and the number of power and bill number also. And that's on a graph also. You can see that that's a graph. Okay, this graph will show you the power and the time. Move back. This is one complaint option where user can make a complaint about the particular connection, and this one is a terrific. Okay, here you can see that the energy charges for the first 50 units, 150 units. That's a rate which is describable, and for the residential general purpose and for the below line, that's a two different table. You can see that. Okay, and it's about us. This 4-member which is developed this application and in the guided by Drishti Chauhan, and by clicking on that logout page you can simply log out from the application. Okay, thank you for watching.
So this is our sign up page. So these are the normal information, but this is unique code which will provide by the company to the admin. So if the admin will have this unique code, then he can sign up. And I already have an account, so I am going to the login page. So this is login page, and these are my information. So this is the main dashboard of the admin side. This will show the total customer of our system, and this graph will show the total amount of the power consumed by the particular meter, and now usage page will show the current usage of particular meter by providing the name, meter number, and unit, and other details. And now the complaints. So if any customer find any problem in our system, then they can register their complaint by our Android application, and after they register their complaint, the complaint will show in this page, and admin can reply by entering the details about the customer. Admin can send the response by the mail. So here message is sent, and customer will see the response on their mail. So here is the mail admin has sent, and now move on to the next, customer details. This page will show all the customer details of our system, and admin can update the data about the particular customer. If a customer change their address or any mobile number or any other information, then admin can able to change customers data. And now payments reminder. If any customer has not paid their bill before the due date, then this list will show the data about their customer. This number is total number of customer, and this number is a customer who has not paid their bills. And like the module of complaint, admin can remind through the customer by the mail, and then customer request. If any customer uh, want to buy new meter, or they want to make a new connection to at their home, then they can request by our application side, and the admin can see the request. And if meter is already implement on their house, then admin can delete the request, and this is our application.